We've been doing this over several generations, starting with the Form 1, but we're still just scratching the surface. So we've gone back to the drawing board to build a new generation of our stereolithography tool, to build a tool that works as fast as you can think. And today, I'm going to introduce to you the Form 4. So when I got on stage and started the demo about 9 minutes ago, these printers started printing. The first job here is done. This is a dental arch build with 11 dental arches and completed in about 9 minutes. Looks good, so I'll just hit the thumbs up on the screen. We've got the new materials. We've got new lower cost and longer lifetime resin tanks. And then, of course, we have that 3 to 4 times print speed increase, which significantly reduces the amortized cost of the hardware. Form 4 is fast, reliable, and affordable. Great high-resolution, high-detail parts, amazing materials, and an easy-to-use ecosystem. Now, how much does it cost? We're introducing Form 4 at $4,499. Really excited to say that we're already in high-volume production. And that means that if you order today, deliveries start in 2 weeks on May 1.